What you see here is an Evergo spinner, 48 inches in diameter, model 4E-3LWSBS. It has the mutant blades, as visible from the tip and the base. The SBS refers to the variable speed aspect. It has a switch housing, obviously, and a forward-reverse pull chain. Right here is the box it came in. Yes. Difficult to see, but you see it's checked off as brown. Notice here it has the option for 3-speed. Yeah, apparently these were made in 3-speed. This one, of course, is variable, which makes it more interesting, in my opinion. There we go. You see different light blade options. These fans evidently were made in both, or made in 36-inch, 48, and 52-inch, with the variable speed and switch housing aspects. So now we're going to see how it performs. We're going to start it on forward low. The control has not been tweaked, so this is factory settings. The low speed on forward is okay. I don't know if you can tell, the blades have a slight downward pitch. Kind of cool. The motor is cast aluminum. The fan dates to April 1982. Now, we're going to inch it up a little bit, probably 1/8 of a turn. Inch it up another 1/8 or so. As you can probably tell, this fan was acquired new in its box, which is absolutely awesome. Do another 1/8 or so of a turn. We're at a medium-high speed at this point. A little higher. Now we're going to strap high. On high, this thing moves quite a lot of air. It's about as fast as an industrial fan, since the motor was actually geared for that purpose. As you can tell, it's very fast, possibly about 280, 300 RPMs maybe? Hard to tell. Alright. Now the pull chain's forward reverse off. I'm going to adjust it to low once again. Let it coast down. Interestingly, the paint on the motor is a different color than the rest of the parts. It's more of the dark chocolate Leslie Locke brown. So, it's a bit different. Now we're going to do it in reverse. First it does forward, now another pull does it to reverse. It's slower in reverse than it is on high, as the motor was probably not exactly designed for reverse. And the low speed on reverse is far more aesthetic compared to forward. Speed up maybe about a quarter of a turn. Wobble is minimal. The fan is pretty well balanced, which I like. Let's put up another notch. Another notch still. I'm just going to go straight up high. Since the fan was not designed for reverse, it moves slower in reverse than on high on all speeds. It's more typical of a 48-inch fan as regards, in regards to speed in reverse. Whereas on forward, it's more industrial-esque in terms of speed. And now we're going to turn it off. Let it coast down for the final time. This particular model is rather uncommon. They're all very weird. I found one with a cast iron motor with no date. Another one in white with an aluminum motor. Again, that one is actually also 82. All of these are different. And there you have it.